Hello, everyone. Are you trying to throw different offers out and see what works? Or are you switching out all your offers every month? If this is you, you're in the right place. Because today I am going to share with you 3 tips on how to make sure your offer sells. Hi, I'm Vanessa Choi, your marketing strategist and funnel creator. So today I'm going to share 3 tips with you. And tips number 1 is make sure you are making the right offer to the right people. This is marketing 101, okay? And you cannot skip it. This is the foundation. Every coaches and course creator or anyone that want to do like a business, not even online, just a business, you have to know your audience. There's no fast track. You have to do your research. And when you do your research, you actually can look at what you actually want to do and what's your expertise in. I don't like the idea about fake it till you make it. This is to me, it's 100% no, okay? Because if you don't have an expertise in something, how can you coach people or how can you teach people? You don't have to be like well in advance or, or you have to do this for many years. However, you still need some sort of knowledge or expertise in the things that you want to coach or you want to teach, right? I mean, you can get away with it if you fake it. Okay, you can get away, let's say, with 1 or 2 clients max, I would say, because there's no sustainability. You have to keep learning yourself as well if you want to be in this business in coaching or like teaching other people. It's okay even when you got started, but at least you have to have some sort of passion and also expertise in something that you want to teach. And then you can do your own training online or actually physically go to like a training school to do some sort of coaching or in a topic that you're really interested in. You can't just like fake it. That's my opinion. Because to me, I am doing marketing. I'm in like marketing for more than 17 years. I have been in marketing for so long. So I've got very much like experience in marketing, whether it's offline marketing to do with branding awareness or online marketing like digital marketing. So that's the background that can support me to be going out there to say I can coach people on marketing. I can teach you how to get more clients online. So that's how you actually build up your authority. Okay, so you don't have to have a degree in coaching or teaching. However, you do need some sort of expertise. Does it make sense? I hope that this is like resonate with you. So make the right offer to the right people. You have to know what your people need. Why do they need help? What support do they need? You have to be really clear. This is the foundation. Without this, you won't be able to move forward and you won't be able to come up with an offer that people want. And it's actually bring it to the tip number 2. Your offer is what people need and especially can afford. Okay, so I know probably it's not that difficult to come up with an offer what people need, because when you actually get the tip number 1 right, if you know your audience, you know their pain points, then if you got a solution for them, that's the sweet spot. I've got economic degrees, right? So economics like number 101. What is it? It's the supply and demands. That's a sweet spot when the demand meet the supplies, right? This is the sweet spot, and you want to be in that spot. So if you know your audience well, you know what their pain points are, then if you got expertise in something, then you can actually offer, your coaching service or your courses. So that's no problem. However, you also have to, um, for the people who can afford it, right? A lot of coaches will probably say when you first started, it's difficult to do a course. You should start like offering high end um, offer because theoretically you only need one or two clients a month. Yes, I would say theoretically because they didn't actually tell you the things behind the scene. For example, when you first like a new coach, who will pay you 10 grand, or don't even 10 grand, 5 grand, okay, $5,000 to get you coach them? Think about that. It's not realistic, right? You probably can get somebody, but you probably need to spend like, I don't know, 100 times, 1,000 times effort to get just one client. And also, they might not pay you in full. Now, payment plan is very popular. Everybody asks for payment plan. So that means that that $5,000 may be spread over, let's say, 6 months, or just to be easy, like 5 months. That means that you're only getting $1,000 a month. Even if you get two clients, like it sounds really good, 10 grand, okay? However, you're actually only getting $2,000 a month. It's better than nothing, but it's not enough to replace, let's say, a full-time job, right? So think about that. You can offer 20 grand, 30 grand, whatever you want, but what about your client? Can they afford it? For example, if your target audience are single mom or single parents, if they are on like single parent payment from the government, if they need help with building up their confidence or emotional support, and you are sort of like a mindset coach and you can offer the support. However, if they already financially struggle, do you think they will be able to afford $5,000 for your coaching? So that's where, even if you got the right audience, if you not getting the pricing right, again, it's not going to work. It doesn't mean you can't coach them or you can't teach them, right? Maybe not coach them. Put them in a membership, then you can have more than one or even two clients. You're still getting income coming in, and then later on, maybe you can actually like offer like a higher ticket offer for specific clients. If they financially it's okay, then you will know. So again, it really depends on where your business is at the moment, and how much authority have you built up, how many audience have you got, how many people are on your email list. So it's really depends on audience. If you know your audience well, then you should have your pricing right. That's so important. And then what is a tip number 3? It's beta test with super discount when you first started. I know a lot of coaches say, okay, offer it for free, or like to get pro bono client. I did that before, and I did that because I want to test it. However, I don't think it's that effective. Okay. The reason being that because you offer it for free, a lot of people will just think, okay, because it's free, I'm going to jump on and see how things go. If it's good, then I might join. If it's not, then, that's no pressure and I can just leave. Okay. And also, usually with coaching, it's not just one off, usually it's like weeks or even months. So if you're gonna offer like a free coaching for 6 weeks, 8 weeks, it seems it's dragging it so long. And also, when people are not paying, you're actually attracting those people, like those freebie seeker. They will just, not being serious. They just come in and just try and see how it goes. You know what I mean? They're not committed. However, if you want, again, you want like build authority, right? You want to get testimonial, 100%. But do a beta test offering super discount rather than for free. Even if you say like I'm offering like 90% discount, it's still better than free. That's from my own opinion. Because if you offer something for free, people don't value it. People don't see value from it. Okay, so and you can like think about your own situation. For example, if you sign up something like a free webinar, sometimes when you got something really important to do, you're thinking, oh, should I go to this webinar? And then you will start thinking, okay, that's all right. It's free. I haven't paid. That's okay to skip. Not a problem. You know what I mean? But however, let's say if you pay already $100 for that webinar, then you will think again because you've paid, say, okay, I've paid $100. It's only a 1 hour webinar. I better I better join. Or at least you get you thinking whether you should skip or not, or whether it's worth to skip. Does it make sense? So I would definitely um, suggest that you offer like a beta test, but with a super, super discount. If let's say if your original course you want to charge, let's say 997, then maybe just do 197. I know this is like a big discount, but it's better than free. Think about if you're offering for free and then you have to work with these people for 8 weeks for free. This is again your time. You have to value your time. Okay, so in the meantime, you want to get testimonial, but you also want to get something because your time is so valuable. Even if 197, you're getting something, instead of like zero. So that's very important. And also mindset wise, it's really good because you know that you are getting paid, although it's not the original 997, but still you are getting paid to what to do to offer your service. So definitely charge. Okay, so I hope that you like these 3 tips that I'm share with you today. So if you interested, what I've got an offer for you is I'm offering like a 45-minute game plan sessions with me. Again, I'm not offering for free. I told you the reason why. So that's why instead of offering for free, I'm taking $10 so that I want to actually attract people that who are serious. Even for new coaches and course creator, you're serious about your business. You come and work with me for 45 minutes and you will have a game plan. So what a game plan is basically to give you clarity. Okay, so I'm going to put the link here. It's actually giving you clarity of your direction moving forward, what you should be offering. I know 45 minutes is not like a long time, but at least you will get clarity. And also, I want to work with female coaches and course creator who are actually open to changes. So you might like after the sessions, you might have to scrap your whole plan, like you scrap of what you're doing because like obviously if you jump on the game plan session with me, obviously either your work or your offer is not working or you're all over the place. Usually with especially new coaches and course creator, you have too many ideas and you don't really know what to offer and to who and pricing. So after this game plan session, you will have clarity of your business moving forward. So make sure you book this 45 minutes game plan with me. It's only $10. So, it's more than a cup of coffee, but that's all. It's cheaper than a lunch. So come just think having lunch with me, for 45 minutes, and then we can plan out your business. And I promise you will get a lot out of this planning session. All right. So thank you, and I will speak to you soon. Bye.